Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whether this is your first time or you've been here before, we're happy that you guys are here. So in today's video, as you probably saw from the title, we are having another challenge video. Today we are going to be painting each other shoes. So we've got some plain white canvas shoes. This is Evan's shoe.
She cheated and used laces with hers.
He's upset that mine have laces and he said that makes it harder, but like this style, I don't wear this style. I don't like this style. I would not wear them at all. So we're going to zoom you guys in, bring you closer, and show you what we're doing as we are doing it. Okay guys, so you can see our shoes and the paint. Not that you necessarily needed to see all the paint, but there's all the acrylic paints, and we got brushes and paint pens and all sorts of stuff to work with, and also random stuff that we don't need to know. We looked online for inspiration pictures, so we're going to be using other people's work as our inspiration for our shoes to kind of make it a little bit easier, and you know, we can kind of see what we want it to look like before we get there. So now, it's just watch us work.
Daddy doing such a good job.
So, and that's Ryder moving the camera like always.